Hey guys, okay, so today I'm playing with this bad boy. Ooh, I was so excited when I walked into work yesterday and saw it. So obviously the inside looks like this, and it's just really cool. I ended up using this blush today, and I fell in love. But over on this side, it actually has some, I think there were, what is it called? Spells? They have some spells over on this side that are actually eyeshadow combinations that you can use with the palette, so I thought that was super cool. But I ended up, I'm gonna zoom in just a smidge so you can see, but I created this look today using the palette, and I think it's super cute. I've been dying to use some purples lately, so thank you, Nyx. Let me zoom back out now. But yeah. So this is what I did today, and I'm actually, one of my friends is coming over. I'm off today, so I'm gonna kind of enjoy that and just hang out. I also redid my nails on Saturday, I think it was. Yeah, Saturday, so how stinking cute were those? Yeah, definitely check out this palette. I know that they said it's limited edition, so I am so happy that I grabbed one. And yeah, just keep watching to see how I created this look. But also, I forgot, I had to run an errand after I got done with the eyeshadow, so I did the lower lash line and like my blush that I used out of here. I did it off camera, so I will let you know. I used, what is it? What did I use? Unholy Union for the lower lash line, which is what I used on the inner and outer corner, so now you know. I'm back, fully done. Like I said at the beginning, I did use Unholy Union on the lower lash line because I had to leave for a minute and I didn't have time to film that. So yeah, sorry about that. But this was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely try to grab one of these if you can, while you can. I think it's an awesome palette, and the shades are so pigmented. Like, I was in love. I am in love with this right here. So probably gonna go hang out with my friend and watch Sabrina all day. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.